Thank you for watching Logi-Cor's Whova tutorial. I hope this helps you.
First step is download the app to your device. After you've downloaded the app, swipe down and start typing Whova. Now you'll want to sign up. Following the simple instructions, first input your email address. You'll then want to go to your email to confirm your email address. After confirming your email address, you will see open this page in Whova. Click on that. The app will reopen. You might need to hit the back button at the top left corner and log in. Once you've logged in, you're now in the app and you will need to enter your profile information. You can do this later by skipping the process and clicking continue. After you've selected your profile information, you're now wanting to look for your event. To find my event, go to the search bar and start typing your event. You will need the event registration code sent to you by your organizer. Put in this code and Whova will open that event. From this screen, this is your home screen where you'll be able to see the agenda, attendees, chat with others in your community, or private messages. We're going to click on the agenda portion. If nothing appears and it's empty, this is because you have yet to register and pay for the conference. You should have received a separate link from your organizer to register, pay for the event, then return to this portion of the screen. Click Agenda again, and now you'll notice you can see the full agenda for this conference. This is the important part, that you want to select your sessions to ensure seating is available. Focus on the agenda portion at the bottom of the screen, click on Agenda, choose from the first session you would like to attend. Click on that session, and then at the top, click Add to my agenda. Whova will ask you if you would like reminders and if you want to remember my choices so you don't have to do this in the future. Now, click Agenda at the bottom. You can either view your full agenda or my agenda. If you click My Agenda, you will see the session you've picked ready for you. Go back to Full Agenda and continue these steps for each day. Thank you for watching our video on Whova. We do not work for Whova. We're simply attendees just as yourself wanting to get started.